Good morning, everyone. I am Aruna Devi Kurane, Assistant Professor, Department of Education, University of Mumbai. I hope you all are well in this lockdown period. Today, we are going to discuss about Unit number 6, Ethics of Academic Writing, and our subtopic is Reliability of Resources. We have to look into what is reliable. When researching, you always need to be sure that you are getting your information from reliable sources. Some sources are considered to be reliable because they have been written by people who are experts in the field. These are the sources you can trust. On the other hand, some sources, such as Wikipedia, are not reliable because the authors may not have a thorough knowledge or full understanding of a topic. Remember, anyone can post information on the internet, and we need to be critical readers in order to determine what to believe. Possible reliable sources are as follows. While you still need to read critically, here is a list of the types of resources that are often reliable and would be good place to start research. The first one is books, which is authored, edited, and published. Second one is newspapers and magazines, peer-reviewed journals, peer-reviewed articles, PhD or MBA dissertations and theses, public library, scholarly articles, isolated studies, or academic research, educational institution and their websites. How will I know if it is reliable? To determine reliability of online sites and organization, look at the URLs ending. For example, if the site ends in .edu, it is most likely an educational institution. Be aware, however, of a political bias. If the sites end in .government, it is most likely a reliable government website. These sites usually provide good sources for statistical and objective reports. If the site ends in .org, it is usually a non-profit organization. These sources vary in being good or poor sources in information, and you will still need to research their possible agendas, biases if they exist. Online journals and magazines. Reliable journals and magazines should contain a bibliography for every article. List sources within that bibliography that can be extensive and should be include a scholarly and non-internet sources. Think, do these sources or evidence support the article focus of their main ideas? Then what is news sources? Every television and print news source has a website. Beware, sometimes their focus is in entertain rather than inform. Think of these sources as a stepping stone to more reliable sources. How will I know if it is unreliable? The following are unreliable sources because they require confirmation with a reliable source. First one is Wikipedia. Although this is a good starting point for finding initial ideas about a topic, some of their information and attached resources may not be reliable. Then blogs, tweets, personal websites, forums, sites created by organizations that may have political or biased agendas. Sites that have provide biased information, self-published sources, opinionation articles such as editorials. You have some time look into some online sources with an URL that end in .com or unreliable. Sites of companies that conduct their business over the internet, some of these sites are unreliable because they have hidden agendas. Think, are they trying to sell me something? What is that? A product or an idea? You have to think about it. Thank you.